Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between Azure and AWS. So let's start. So the first difference is Azure is launched in 2010, whereas AWS is launched in 2006. Azure is owned by Microsoft, whereas AWS is owned by Amazon. Azure shares around 22% of the market share as per data in 2025, whereas AWS shares around 31% of the market share. Azure uses Azure virtual machines, whereas AWS uses Amazon EC2. Azure offers Azure Blob Storage, whereas AWS offers Amazon S3. Azure uses databases such as Azure SQL, Cosmos DB, whereas AWS uses RDS and DynamoDB. Azure uses AI tools or provides AI tools such as Azure AI, ML Studio, whereas AWS provides AWS SageMaker and AI services. Azure provides serverless computing via Azure Function, whereas AWS provides serverless computing using AWS Lambda. Azure provides the containers such as Azure Kubernetes Service, whereas AWS provides Amazon EKS and ECS. Azure has a strong hybrid support using Azure Arc and Stack, whereas AWS has a limited hybrid support using AWS Outpost. Azure integrates with the Microsoft products easily, whereas AWS integrates with the open source tools. Azure provides pay-as-you-go, reserve, and spot pricing, whereas AWS also provides the pay-as-you-go, reserve, and spot pricing. Azure has 60 plus regions globally, whereas AWS has 100 plus zones in 30 plus regions. Azure uses Microsoft Defender for security, whereas AWS uses AWS Shield and Guard Duty. Azure is easier for the Windows users, whereas AWS is easier for the Linux users. So Azure has clients such as LinkedIn, Xbox, and Adobe, whereas AWS has clients like Netflix, Airbnb, and NASA. So these are some basic differences between Azure and AWS. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.